Cancer continues to be the leading cause of death worldwide, and it's essential to be aware of the potential risks associated with our diets. So, let's dive into the list of cancer-causing foods and how we can make healthier choices for a cancer-free life. Please note that information provided in this video is for educational purpose only. Refined sugar. Refined sugar, often called a poison, provides no nutritional value and can deprive our bodies of essential vitamins and nutrients. Studies suggest that consuming soda pop, loaded with sugars, colors, and chemicals, may promote the growth of cancer cells. Limiting refined sugar intake is crucial for overall health. Processed meats. Processed meats like sausages, bacon, and hot dogs have been classified as carcinogens by the World Health Organization. Regular consumption of these meats can significantly increase the risk of colorectal cancer. Even red meat has been associated with various cancers. Reducing our intake of processed and red meats is vital for cancer prevention. Microwave popcorn. While microwave popcorn may seem convenient, its packaging contains chemicals that can form compounds linked to liver and pancreatic cancer. Additionally, the flavoring agents used in these popcorns may lead to bronchiolitis obliterans, a serious lung condition. Opt for healthier snack options to avoid these potential risks. Dirty fruits. Certain fruits sprayed with pesticides have been associated with an increased cancer risk. Apples, peaches, grapes, and strawberries are some of the fruits with the highest pesticide concentrations. Consider choosing organic produce to reduce exposure to harmful chemicals. Potato chips. Potato chips can contain a chemical called acrylamide, linked to cancer, when cooked at high temperatures. Moreover, potatoes are also on the dirty dozen list due to pesticide contamination. Minimize consumption of potato chips and opt for healthier snack alternatives. Farmed salmon. Farmed salmon may offer omega-3 fatty acids, but concerns arise from overcrowding and the use of chemicals to give the fish a pink hue. For a safer option, choose wild-caught salmon, which is generally healthier and more sustainable. Canned tomatoes. Beware of the chemical bisphenol A, BPA, used in the lining of canned tomatoes and other canned foods. BPA can seep into acidic foods like tomatoes and is considered a potential human carcinogen. Opt for fresh or BPA-free canned tomatoes whenever possible. Hydrogenated oil. Hydrogenated oils, found in many processed foods, contain harmful trans fats that alter cell membranes and can double the risk of breast cancer in women. Choose healthier cooking oils, such as olive or avocado oil, for a better alternative. White flour. Refined white flour has been associated with an increased risk of breast cancer. Its high glycemic index and potential cancer-promoting effects make it best to opt for whole grains instead. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption is linked to various cancers, including liver, mouth, throat, breast, and bowel cancers. Limiting alcohol intake is crucial for maintaining overall health and reducing cancer risk. Pickles and salted foods. While pickles contain beneficial probiotics, excessive sodium consumption in pickles and salted foods has been associated with a higher risk of stomach cancer. Enjoy pickles in moderation and opt for low-sodium alternatives. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs. Research on GMOs and their potential health effects is ongoing, but some studies suggest a possible link to cancer. To minimize risks, choose organic and non-GMO foods whenever possible. Artificial sweeteners. High doses of artificial sweeteners in animal studies have shown links to cancer. Limit your intake of artificial sweeteners and opt for natural alternatives like stevia or honey. Processed foods. Processed foods with high levels of sodium, artificial flavors, and colors have been associated with various health problems, including cancer. Opt for fresh, whole foods to improve your diet and overall well-being. High-fat foods. Although the link between fats and cancer is not fully understood, high-fat diets can contribute to obesity, which is associated with an increased risk of certain cancers. Maintain a balanced diet with healthy fats. Animal-based foods. Some studies suggest that cancer cells may thrive on animal-based foods, making plant-based diets a potentially healthier option. Consider incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet. Smoked meats. Smoking foods, especially meats, can produce carcinogenic tar that raises the risk of bowel cancer. Limit the consumption of smoked and barbecued foods to minimize potential health risks. Dairy products. The impact of dairy products on cancer risk is still being studied. While some studies suggest possible associations with certain cancers, more research is needed for conclusive findings. Enjoy dairy products in moderation. Remember, a balanced diet, rich in whole foods and low in processed ones, is essential for maintaining good health. Stay informed and prioritize your well-being. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Stay healthy, and see you next time.